cooking corn today. I have 4 ears of corn. Y'all know Walmart is selling corn for 50 cents right now. So I got 4 because it's 4 of us. So we're going to have 1 ear of corn apiece to go with our dinner. But let me show you how to make some delicious oven baked corn. You can roast it in your oven. You don't have to have a grill. Here I have 1 stick of butter. I popped it in the microwave so I can get it to room temperature because it was in the freezer frozen. So to this 1 stick of butter, I'm going to add some Cajun seasoning. You can use the Cajun seasoning of your choice. Y'all see I got Slap Your Mama, okay? So that's what we're going to use, some Slap Your Mama seasoning. And to this 1 stick of butter, I'm going to add in about 1 tablespoon, okay? Next, I am going to add in some chicken bouillon powder. And I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of that. And remember, this is for 4 ears of corn, so I don't need but 1 stick of butter, okay? I'm also going to add in a little black pepper. Just a little, about a teaspoon of black pepper, okay? Next, I am going to add in some parsley flakes. That's just for a pop of color to make our corn on the cob look good. So now you guys, I'm going to add in some garlic powder. And I'm going to, I like garlic, so use about 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm going to add in a small amount of this paprika that I have, y'all. So that should be enough paprika. I'll say about 2 teaspoons of paprika, okay? It's just according to how much corn you have. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and you are going to blend your butter with your seasonings, okay, for your delicious corn on the cob that we are going to bake in this oven. That's gonna be very delicious and tasty. And I know that it is something that your family will enjoy. And do not ask why, oh, well, you didn't put salt. The Slap Your Mama seasoning is the salt. It is the cayenne pepper. It has all of those flavors in it. Trust me, it's very spicy, it's delicious, and it is tasty, okay? So I'm going to get this mixed up, and then we are going to move on to the next step, everyone. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your corn and you are going to rub the butter and the seasoning all over your corn. It can get messy, so if you want to put on gloves, go ahead. But you're going to slather that corn on down all the way around. Okay, once you get your corn nice and slathered with the butter and the seasoning, you're going to take this corn and make sure that you roll it really, really tight. Okay. Pinch the ends. Y'all see that? Because you want it tight. You don't want no opening on that other side with your corn, okay? So, see how tight I got it? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to finish rolling my corn. Got my oven on. We're gonna preheat it to 425. Preheat your oven to 425. Set your timer for 45 minutes. Hit time. And let's get some of my roasted corn in the oven. It's done. It's easy to bake corn in the oven. You can tell that it's done. It's nice. It's gonna be juicy. Remember, 425 for 35 to 45 minutes. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below.